painter Francis Bacon said that beauty is in the eyes of the beholder. The writer Émile Zola added that beauty depended on the state of mind and the moment of life in which it is contemplated. It is somewhat subjective to define which cities are beautiful and which are not. To avoid controversy, most travelers, in addition to their experience, take into account other factors such as the size of the city, its architecture, green areas, the heritage, the historical artistic set, and if they have rich gastronomy of their own. Following those criteria, these would be the 5 most beautiful cities in the world for us. The number 1 is Kyoto. Kyoto, once the capital of Japan, is a city on the island of Honshu. It's famous for its numerous classical Buddhist temples, as well as gardens, imperial palaces, Shinto shrines, and traditional wooden houses. It's also known for formal traditions such as koseki dining, consisting of multiple courses of precise dishes, and geisha, female entertainers often found in the Joon district. The number 2 is Dubrovnik. Dubrovnik is a city in southern Croatia fronting the Adriatic Sea. It's known for its distinctive old town, encircled with massive stone walls completed in the 16th century. Its well-preserved buildings range from Baroque St. Blaise Church to Renaissance Sponza Palace and Gothic Rector's Palace, now a history museum. Paved with limestone, the pedestrianized Stratton, or Plaka, is lined with shops and restaurants. The number 3 is St. Petersburg. St. Petersburg is a Russian port city on the Baltic Sea. It was the imperial capital for 2 centuries, having been founded in 1703 by Peter the Great, subject of the city's iconic bronze horseman statue. It remains Russia's cultural center, with venues such as the Mariinsky Theater hosting opera and ballet, and the State Russian Museum showcasing Russian art, from Orthodox icon paintings to Kandinsky works. The number 4 is Prague. Prague, the capital city of the Czech Republic, is bisected by the Vltava River. Nicknamed the City of 100 Spires, it's known for its Old Town Square, the heart of its historic core, with colorful Baroque buildings, Gothic churches and the medieval astronomical clock, which gives an animated hourly show. Completed in 1402, pedestrian Charles Bridge is lined with statues of Catholic saints. The number 5 is Cape Town. Cape Town is a port city on South Africa's southwest coast, on a peninsula beneath the imposing Table Mountain. Slowly rotating cable cars climb to the mountain's flat top, from which there are sweeping views of the city, the busy harbor and boats heading for Robben Island, the notorious prison that once held Nelson Mandela, which is now a living museum.